Welcome back. Today it's me, Beto G. I'm back today with another beat. Today I'm going to be making Sweden trap beat. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop my new videos you will get notified. I'm going to click when you launch your FL Studio. Make sure you put your cursor here, you right click and click open. But for me, I've already launched my FL Studio. So I'm going to click here, click on add, then pick this blocking called Citrus. I'm going to put my cursor on this empty space, left click, hold it, turn my mouse wheel to channel 5, put my cursor here, right click and press piano roll. I'll start to program my Sweden trap beat now. As you can see, I've programmed my first 2 bars. I'm going to copy right to bars number 8. I'm going to click on select, highlight it like this, but you can still press Ctrl and A and press Ctrl and B several times to reach this bar number 8. The next step is I'm going to pick another melody again and to make it a 2 melody loop. So I'm going to click on add, click on move bars. I'm going to left click, hold it, turn my mouse wheel to channel 6, put my cursor on these blue bars, right click and press piano roll. Now I'll start to program my bass melodies like this. This is my blue bars. It's normal to use your blue bars like this. That's it. The next step is I'll start to program my hi-hat now. So I'll put my cursor on channel 3 here, right click and click split piano roll. Just click on piano roll. Now I'll just program my 1 bar pattern. I'll program my 1 bar pattern. And then I'm going to highlight your left, press Ctrl and B several times to reach this bar number 8. After doing so, I'll click on my snare here, I'll right click and click piano roll. I'll start to program my snare now. As you can see, I first of all put my snare here. At the ending of each bars, I'll be putting my snare. Just watch the way I will do it. At the ending of each bars like this, I'll be putting my snare. So watch. Now I'm going to program my kick now. So I'm going to look for my kick. I'll look for my kick now. I'll put my cursor on this empty space, right click on my mouse, click on piano roll. That's it. I'll start to program my kick now. You can see the way I'm aligning my kick. After doing so, I'll click here on my kick, click on this icon, turn this button up right up to 77%. Now it's time to arrange a beat. I'll click here where I've written part 1. I'll right click, just click here, split by channel. As you can see, everything I've programmed has appeared on the top left corner of my FL Studio, like this, like this, like this. The first melody, I'll click on my mobiles, just click back into my playlist like this. After doing so, I'll put my cursor here, left click, highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B to extend my beat. I'm extending my beat now. So I'll remove my kick, remove the hi-hat, remove the snare. After doing so, I'm going to highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B to extend my beat. That's it. Now I'm extending my beat now to my outro. I've extended my beat right up to 85. That's it. Right up to 85. I'm going to remove the hi-hat here, remove the snare here. I'll go back to my mixer on channel 3. I'll put my cursor like this on channel 3, right click here, create automation clip. Put my cursor on channel 4, right click, create automation clip. This automation clip is to control the volume automatically. Yeah, that's the function of this automation. Though this automation on the hi-hat and this automation on my snare is to control the volume of my snare automatically and the rest. So on channel 5, I'll bring down my beat a little bit, bring down the beat a little bit here. I'll click here to swap left and right. When you see me clicking like this, when you put your cursor, when they say swap left and right channels, just click to swap the beat left and right. Then when you put your cursor like this, they say reverse the polarities, just click like this, reverse the polarities like this, like this, like this. On 5 and 6 is our beat. So we start mixing the beat. I'll click on slot 1 and add a filter parametric EQ2. I'll click on slot 2 and add a fruity limiter. I'll click on slot 3 and add a fruity compressor. I'll click on slot 4 and add a fruity soft clipper. These are the basic plugin you can use to mix your beat if you follow my channel. On the other beats, I'll click on slot 1 and add a fruity soft clipper. I'll click on slot 2 and add a fruity limiter. That's it, your beat. These are the basics you can use to mix your beats. Now it's time to spice up the beats. I'll take my hi-hat here at the ending of my intro. I'm going to add my hi-hat here. Add the hi-hat. Now let's listen to the sweeping trap beat from the start to the end and see you next time in another video. Now let's go. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another time in another video. Don't forget to just press the subscribe button on your screen. Thank you so much and goodbye.